Hey, Vsauce! Michael here. The Earth is spinning, and we are spinning along with it. But what if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? At the equator, the surface of Earth and everything on it is spinning around at 465 meters a second. As you move closer to the poles, you don't have to move as quickly to complete Earth's daily rotation. Stop spinning would be catastrophic. Immediately, everything that wasn't Earth and wasn't safely at the poles would continue moving as it had been, and be flung due east at more than 1,000 miles an hour. You wouldn't be flung into space because escape velocity is 24,800 miles per hour, but your body would instantly become a 9.5-inch caliber bullet. Well, really more of a supersonic tumbleweed. Because the atmosphere would more gradually slow down, people in airplanes, assuming they could navigate the resulting storms, might have a better chance of surviving. Astronauts aboard the ISS would fare even better, but it is unlikely that anyone would be waiting for them down on the ground. Runways would just be entrances to the new planet-sized graveyard created by the no longer spinning Earth. People really near the poles might be okay, but only at first. Gusts of wind as fast as those near an atomic bomb detonation would blast past the surface and up into the sky, forming worldwide storms of unprecedented magnitude. The friction alone, caused by the now stopped Earth colliding with these winds, would be enough to cause massive fires, unparalleled erosion, and damage to anything strong enough to stay put after the initial braking. The sun would seem to freeze in the sky as days became not 24 hours long, but 365 days long. Without spinning innards, Earth's protective magnetic field would cease to exist, and we would be dosed with deadly amounts of ionizing radiation from the sun. The oceans would surge onto land in tsunamis kilometers high and wash over nearly all dry land before migrating to the poles, where gravity is stronger, no longer held to the ocean basins by the inertia Earth's spin gave them, until Earth itself, no longer bulging an extra 42 kilometers around its equator because of its rotation, slowly compressed into a more perfect sphere than it is now, possibly allowing the oceans to eventually return somewhat. On our spinning planet, your velocity is constantly changing, but always tangential to the circular path you are being dragged along. Now, because inertia is a property of matter which includes your body, without a force acting upon us, we would slowly leave the surface of Earth. Luckily, the Earth is exerting a force on us, a center-seeking centripetal force delivered by gravity. The centripetal force required to keep you along a circular path with Earth is subtracted from Earth's total gravitational pull on you. Thank you for spending some of yours with me, and as always, thanks for watching.